Element X can undergo the following physical changes. Give the scientific name for each of the numbered physical change. So number 1 is solid to liquid. So we all know from second grade that solid to liquid is melting. And then number 2 is gas to liquid, which is condensation. And then number 3 is liquid to solid, which is called freezing or solidification. I just like freezing better. And then number 4 is solid to gas directly, which is called sublimation. Now, sublimation is canceled in the 23-25 syllabus. So if you're in those 3 years, then it's actually canceled. One difference between boiling and evaporation is the rate, okay, at which the process occurs. We know that boiling is a pretty fast, process. It happens quickly. Evaporation is really, really, really slow. I mean, you can have a cup of water sitting in your kitchen for years and its level, decreases by less than an inch, all right? I mean, it's a very, very slow process. But if you boil it in just few hours, it's going to be all gone. All right, so that's a huge difference between boiling and evaporation. Now, there's a couple of other two differences between boiling and evaporation is that boiling happens only at boiling point. However, evaporation happens at any range of temperature between melting point and boiling point. So for example, water melts at 0, boils at 100. Water can evaporate anywhere between 1 degree C and 99 degrees C. Anywhere at 2 degrees, at 3 degrees, at 25, at 65, at 71, at 98, evaporation is happening. But boiling only happens at 100. If it's not 100, it is not boiling. It's evaporating. Okay? So that's one difference. The other difference is that boiling occurs throughout the liquid. The whole cup of water is boiling. So this particle is boiling, this particle is boiling, this particle is boiling. Everybody's boiling, okay? But evaporation only happens at the surface. So that's why it is so slow, because only the particles at the surface have the opportunity to escape and evaporate. Everybody else are not doing anything. Nothing is happening for these particles that are inside if it's evaporation. If it's boiling, everybody is involved in the process. So boiling is throughout the liquid. Evaporation is only at the surface.